Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can check that the Quora monetization is available in your country or not. Well, we know that Quora is a question answer platform where people post their questions and get answers. And those who answer the questions and share their insights can receive compensation for their knowledge. Anyhow, go to your space and click on settings and check the monetization option. And since I'm from Pakistan, let's see whether it's available in Pakistan or not, since the monetization is location based. So when you go to Quora Help Center and search this article, here it has specified the countries where Quora is offering its monetization. So click on this link and it will show you the name of the countries where Quora is offering its monetization. And unfortunately, Pakistan is not in the list so far. So Pakistan is not one of the countries where Quora is offering its monetization. And this is how you can check whether the Quora monetization is available in your country or not. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.